Good morning everyone and welcome back to the vlog. Today is Sunday here in Los Angeles and I'm going to be making breakfast for Joey and I. We're going to be doing gluten-free pancakes, Gordon Ramsey style scrambled eggs, and some Benevolent bacon, which is actually fake bacon, so fakin'. Anyway, it's going to be super quick and we're just vlogging everything nowadays because we're stuck at home. So our ingredients are going to be a gluten-free pancake mix. You're going to need some vegetable oil, 1 large egg, the pancake mix with some milk. We don't have whole milk, so we're going to use almond milk. Some eggs over here. I have some butter for my scrambled eggs, and this is the Benevolent bacon, which is actually like a veggie meat patty. I don't know if you guys have ever eaten that. It's a meat alternative and it tastes pretty good. So right now I'm going to be mixing the pancake mix first, stirring that up together, but I'm going to be starting with the hot meals first because cooking the pancakes is really fast and I always like hot pancakes, don't like cold pancakes. So unlike the egg and the bacon where you can have it a little cold or a little room temperature already and it really doesn't affect the eating experience, pancakes on the other hand, you want it nice, hot and fluffy off the pan. Whole cup of this gluten-free mix into the bowl, 1 large brown egg, no vegetable oil, so we'll be using a dash of olive oil instead. Don't want to put too much because the olive oil does have a lot of strong flavor. After that, some almond milk. So we're gonna start mixing this already, breaking the egg yolk. We don't want to over mix it because it might develop into a harder pancake, but we do want to take out all the lumps. We press out any lumps that we see. Okay. We'll let that stand and we're gonna proceed with the bacon and the scrambled eggs. Start off with a pan. We're gonna drizzle it with a little olive oil just to make sure that the bacon gets crispy. Okay, the pan is almost nice and warm. We're gonna lay this out, making sure to separate everything. I like to do everything on one pan because I am a lazy chef. Don't like washing so many dishes. Alright, time to flip some bacon. Nice and crispy. There we go. Yes, sure. Making tea. Coffee. I'm gonna hit this with water real quick because it's super hot. Next is the Gordon Ramsey style eggs. You can research his recipe on YouTube, but I'll share it with you guys because it's one of my favorite egg recipes. It makes the eggs super fluffy rather than tough. The pan has to be moderately warm, not hot, because you don't want the eggs to cook super fast. And then eggs in. So the trick to Gordon Ramsay's scrambled egg is to make sure that you mix it fast, take it on and off the heat. Right now the heat is still off because the pan is still hot, but it's gonna turn out nice and fluffy. I find that adding an extra egg or two will make it better. For some reason it evaporates. So we're gonna turn the heat on, but on a low setting. just to dry out the egg just a little more, but as you can see, it's nice and wet. So Gordon always says on and off the heat, just to make sure you can control the consistency. So you can see it's really evaporating down. And it's almost there actually. Nice, fluffy, scrambled eggs. Heat off. So last touches, some black pepper, pinch of salt, and last. There you have it, look at that scrambled egg. Okay, plate it. So now I'm gonna wash the pan again real quick. Last on the list is the pancakes. I'm on small dollop of butter. It's getting nice and warm. We're gonna do a test pancake first. Put the heat up a little more so that we can get a nice crispy outer layer. Okay, it's moving already. And as you can see, it's actually expanding, or it's also flattening as it cooks. And it's moving, it's just moving on its own. So we're just gonna shake this around. Okay, that looks good. Take the first one out already. The house is so smoky. The last pancake's done. Sorry for the noise, it turns off real quick. The last pancake's done. This is the perfect looking one. Mine doesn't look so good, but here you go. Boom. Breakfast is served. Alright guys, we're having brunch outdoors here. It is the fake bacon or benevolent bacon, scrambled eggs, Gordon Ramsay style, gluten-free pancakes, and some butter. Have some honey over there. What do you think, madame?
I'm so excited to eat. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I love it.
I gave yours the pretty ones, of course.
Thanks,
Joey's
honey.
plate is clean and nice, unlike my plate. It's a bit messy, but normally that's what happens for the chefs. You get the bad dishes and you give the perfect dishes to the special person.
Honey, I love you. Thank you.
Maybe you can hear the sounds.
This is one of my most favorite breakfasts. This is better than some of the breakfast places that I like visiting in LA. It's so good.
Alright guys, we're gonna have our brunch now, and then after that, so we're gonna go for exercise after this in the afternoon, and we'll see what else happens within the day. See you guys in a bit.